Hi guys, this is research analyst Muhammad Abdullah and welcome to my channel, Eat Healthy. Every time you got new health-related videos. Now, today we are going to provide some very important information about your kids' healthy habits. Today our topic is, what are healthy habits, how to promote positive healthy habits, how the bad food impacts on child health, and at last how to develop healthy habits in your kids. So, let's start our video with our first point is, what are healthy habits? A study by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics Foundation showed parents have significant potential to influence their children's behavior. This includes eating habits and physical activity. In fact, parents outrank sports celebrities as the person their child would like to be most, according to the survey. So, teach your kids about how to live a healthy life. Help your children learn to make healthier food choices and engage in regular physical activity by being a good role model. Family dynamics can have a positive or negative effect on a child's health. Family patterns that seem most related to health include family closeness, flexible parenting, supportive home environment and mind-stimulating activities. On the flip side, if parents are overprotective and possessive, children tend to be less likely to engage in healthful behaviors. Explaining the second point is how to promote positive healthy habits. Aim for balance and openness around food and mealtimes. Include your children in meal planning, shopping, and preparation to encourage participation. Provide fair attitudes toward feeding and create a warm and open family environment at mealtimes. The same goes for exercise. Make sure your kids know they are part of the team and that health and fitness are a family affair. Take turns letting your child pick a family activity. Third important thing to explain is how the bad food impacts on child health. Stay away from using food as a reward. Using food as a reward, such as giving a child a cookie for completing his or her homework, can lead to an unhealthy relationship with food. Labeling foods as bad or forbidding foods only increases a child's desire for the food. Parents who tightly control their own eating, restrained eaters, may not notice they exert such excessive control over their children's food habits, which can lead to the risk of overweight in children. And last, how to develop healthy habits in your kids. Don't force them to eat. As they grow, children's appetites fluctuate. So, when they're full, don't push them to clean their plate. Also, don't force children to stay at the dinner table until they've finished those veggies. Though, this might appear to help your kids get the nutrition they need, these behaviors can actually lead to kids disliking those foods and having negative associations with mealtime. Plan regular family activities. Encourage your children to take up any sports, what they like. Take your kids to the park to walk, jog, inline skate, or play catch. Research suggests that parents can positively affect children's development and behaviors, especially in the early years. So, engage with your children and be the person you hope they will become. And last, if you are experiencing still some health problems in your kids that indicate you a serious condition, then it's important to see a child specialist doctor. Please take care of yourself. Be healthy and be safe. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. In next video we are going to discuss the more secrets of healthy life.